Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be brought to you by the company WOWEBONY. Of course, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. So this unit is their 6-inch deep part curly lace front wig, and this is what the curl pattern looks like straight out of the package. And then also I want to show you guys what the pre-plucked hairline looks like, and this one comes with pre-bleached knots. Now the lace color on this is medium brown, but I want to show you guys how good those knots look. They look really good and they aren't overdone. When I put this on my head, you guys will see. And then the pre-plucked hairline is very nice. You also do get some small baby hairs throughout the front, which you can go in and customize. This unit does come with your soft lace. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And the good thing about this is they also add in an adjustable elastic band. This is what the unit looks like now that it has been freshly washed and air dried. I did use my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I also used the curl defining mousse to define the waves. Taking the adjustable elastic band, I'm just going to make sure to tighten it up to fit my head because I don't want to use any glue when putting this one on. And as you guys can see, the lace is blending in really well with my skin tone. So I already know offhand that I'm not going to have to put too much work in, and the hairline on this looks really nice. Now I did not go in and do anything extra to the hairline, and I also didn't do anything to the parting space. So I'm just making sure that everything is fitting me good. I already can tell that I am going to have to cut off some extra pieces on the side because the lace is coming over my ear. So I'm just going to cut off a tiny amount. And you guys, I'm doing this without cutting the lace off first. I just find that this is easier. Now I can still do it both ways, but I rather just do it while the lace is cut off. And then I'm just making sure that it lines up and it still looks good. And then I'm going to move on and do the same thing to the other side. After I'm happy with how everything is lined up, now I'm just going to work on cutting the rest of the lace off. This lace was very easy for me to deal with, super soft, and look how it just blends in with my skin as soon as I start to cut the lace. I'm just going to take a little bit of the wax stick and I'm going to go around the hairline and also by the parting space, and then I will be taking my hot comb and just kind of smoothing everything out. Like I mentioned before, I am not going to use any type of glue or spray. I'm just going to let this be a glueless install just because I feel like I really don't need to put anything extra because the lace looks so good, and on top of that, it fits my head really nicely. My edge brush, I'm just going to make sure to brush any of the short hairs back that might be trying to come out. And so far, this is what it looks like before I start to put any of my powder in. Now I'm just going to put some of my Ruby Kisses powder and making sure to blend on the side since the side is showing. Now the way that I will be wearing this hair, you really won't be able to notice the sides, but I just want to make sure that I put some powder just in case the wind blows back. And then I'm going to take the edge brush and kind of swoop some hair over on that side so that it won't be as noticeable. Now I'm just going to take my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I am going to go ahead and run that throughout the hair. This is just going to help it not to be so frizzy, and also making sure to get towards the very ends of the hair because they were coming off just a tad bit dry once I started to run my fingers through it. But the hair feels very soft and it does have a nice luster to it, but I also did use that curling mousse, so that does help with luster. But the waves on this are really pretty. Now it says it is deep curly, but it's coming off more wavy in my opinion. So just taking my comb, I'm going to run over the top of the hair, and this is just going to help me break up any of the cast that the mousse may have left when I was setting it. And then this is the final look, guys. I feel like it looks so pretty. And the hair is very nice. Like I said, the ends were a tad bit dry, but the serum definitely did help. This is more on the wavy side to me, like I stated, but it's a little bit more curlier towards the front. But the hair is absolutely beautiful. Now it does say that this is a natural color, but for me it is coming off just a little bit darker. Now this is 20 inches, so I feel like the length hits me really good. I don't mind my wavy and curly hair being a little bit longer. Not only is the hair beautiful, but I feel like the star of the show has to be the lace on this unit. I'm happy that it came bleached, and I feel like they did not go overboard with bleaching the knots because none of the color did run through. I did not have to put any of the powder into the parting space because I felt like it wasn't needed. One thing I will say is that if you are a lighter complexion than I am, then the lace may come off just a tad bit too dark. So guys, just be aware of that. But let me know how you are feeling this unit. If you are feeling it, I'm going to make sure to leave all the links down below. This unit is very, very affordable. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.